Discover the inspiring story behind the ANTA KAI Azurie, Kyrie Irving's newest signature sneaker created as a heartfelt tribute to his daughter. Designed with a soft rose-pink upper and detailed with violet-blue flame embroidery, this colorway reflects childhood innocence and the spark that motivates Kyrie as a father, athlete, and creator. Since joining Anta, Kyrie has prioritized family in every business move, even signing his father early into his partnership, and the Azurie edition continues that legacy of purpose and creativity. Launching November 22 for $125, the Anta KAI Azurie will be available on anta.com, Foot Locker, and Dick's Sporting Goods. Sneaker fans can expect premium performance engineering, emotional storytelling, and a colorway that stands out on and off the court.